Imagine making over $200 without leaving your home, just by sharing your opinion, testing apps and your creativity. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today I'm breaking 10 credible websites where you can actually make over $200 per week, depending on your seriousness, depending on how you put in your effort. No scams, no fluff, just real opportunities. You want to hear number 7 because it pays over $250 for just 1 gig. So let's go. Redbubble.com is a website where you sell your designs and your artwork. Once Redbubble sells your design on t-shirt, on mugs, or any item, they will pay you for it. It's a very good passive income idea. Sellers on this platform usually makes hundreds of dollars per month because of sales. Especially when you have so much sales, you make more than $200. Justanswer.com. This one is for those that have if you have knowledge on tech, health and finance, this website is for you. On this website you will get paid for your answers. When you give answers to you give your opinion on a certain question, you will get paid. On this platform, people make thousands of dollars at the end of the month. They make thousands at the end of the month. People literally pay you for answers. So on this platform, people make over $200 per week. Depends on how you put in your time on the platform, how you answer questions, how serious you are with it. You will make over $200. Build your store.ai. This one is insane. You can build an AI powered store in minutes, add product and start selling, and just a handful of sales can hand you over $200 a week. So the next one is usertesting.com. This app is majorly for testing websites or apps. So they pay you from you can earn like $10 to $60 per app or per test. Okay, so let's say you do like 5 to 10 tests per week, boom, you have made over $200. So the next one is medium.com. So this website is for for writers. When you publish an article on this website, you earn when people read it. Then when you get a viral video, you can make like over $1,000. One viral video can blow past $500 in a week. The next one is playtestcloud.com. This one is for gamers. If you are very good with games, playing games either with your phone or with your laptop, this one is for you. So you will get paid for testing games, unreleased games. You get paid for testing unreleased games. So the 7th one is respondent.ai. Here is the big one. This site pays $50 to $250 for research studies. Yes, a single gig can cover up your $200 per week goal. So the next one is udemy.com. This website is for those that can teach. If you can teach anything in any niche like tech, finance and all of that, so this website is for you. You can create a profile and start teaching. Just create a course and thousands of students are waiting for you. Even beginners can make over $200 in their first month. The next one is 11 Labs. You might be asking, how can you make money from 11 Labs? If you have a unique voice, come closer. You can use 11 Labs to create AI voice models and get paid when people license your voice. This one is a game changer. In fact, this one is the next level. This is what is on board now, but so many people are not aware of this. And so many people don't know that they can actually monetize their voice online. So the next one is toptal.com. High skills freelancers. This is your gold mine project. This website pays premium rates from as high as $500 to $1,000 per week. In fact, $200 is just a pocket change for Toptal. So guys, there you have it. 10 credible websites where you can realistically earn over $200 per week. Some require skills while the others just requires your time. but they all work. So guys, which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe and share this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.